So first thing we're going to work out is the expected value of x. So to do that, we go 2 times the probability of that happening, 0.07, plus 5, and I'm just going to put the 8, the 11 and the 14 there, and my pluses, and times by 0.23 times by 0.34. Oh, whoops, not going to work. 11, 0.26 and 0.10. Okay, so I need the times there, and so I've got 2 times that plus 5 times that plus 8 times that plus 11 times that plus that times that. So do that on your calculators. Okay. There we go. And clear. Whoop. So we have 2 times 0.07 plus 5 times 0.23 plus 8 times 0.34 plus 11 times 0.26 plus 14 times 0.1. 8.27. Okay. Is that correct? Yeah, great, cool. Okay, now, next thing we're looking for the variance of x. So what we do here is we take each value. So I'm going to take that 2. I'm going to take away my mean. I'm going to square it, and then I'm going to times it by the probability. And then I'm going to add the next one, 5. Take away the mean, square it, times it by the probability. Now I'm just going to do that on the calculator. So I'm going to go, alright, 2 minus 8.27 squared times 0.07 plus 5 minus 8.27 squared times times the probability of that happening, 0.23 plus bracket 8 minus 8.27 squared times the probability of that happening, 3.4 plus bracket 11 minus 8.27 squared times, the probability of that happening, 0.26 plus bracket 14 minus 8.27 squared times 0.1. That's going to give me my variance. Who got the same answer? Okay, so 10.45. Okay, so the variance is 10.446. Okay, now the standard deviation is going to be the square root of that. So if I take that and if I go to the power of 0.5, it's the same as the square root, I'm going to get the standard deviation is 3.2. So standard deviation is 3.2. Okay, I don't like that very much because it was too much on my calculator. So I'm going to go to stats and I'm going to put, yeah, but then how about the probabilities? Does that work? Let's see, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. But these are the probabilities of it happening, aren't they? So that doesn't really work. Yeah, list 2, but it's the probability. 0.07 and 0.23, 0.34, 0.26, 0.1. And if I go calc, do I have to set? I've got, oh, hang on. It's one var, but hang on. Some of all that, what have I got? Variance is 40, and the standard set. Frequency, I need to change to list 2. Execute, and now, what have I got? So where does it say 3.2? Oh yeah. Okay, so whoever was not listening, that was a magical moment. I have shown you that it's really important with your set 2, because it was a probability. Here I went set, I kept it as one var, but in frequency, because frequency is kind of like probability. So that's why I was kind of a bit worried. I was thinking, but it's a probability, it's not working for me. So my probability I put in list 2. So instead of having a frequency of 1, where it gave me the wrong numbers, I had a frequency of list 2. And therefore, I got the shortcut. So when I hit one var, I get my 3.2 is my standard deviation. Okay? And my mean, 8.27. Okay? So I've shown you the long way and the short way. That's all right? It's good? Okay. Anyone want to upload it? Hands up.